Alright, so previously we have already achieved the functionality of a menu. So I made a Lauren Ipsum, just some fake article. So title, some article, and the menu, click, save collection. This is a control group, by the way. If you don't know how to do that, look at my previous video, right? Save collection, like it, hate it, click, execute the code, right? Pretty simple one. What I'm going to do is to, based on this, I'm going to add more functionality. So for example, sometimes you want to like a filter. It's not like a filter, but rather to choose from different view layout or view style, something like that. Let's add that before, right? Before this text. Okay. So basically, what I'm going to do is to add another, maybe add a section. Okay. That can, you know, get hold of, wrap what's inside. And what I'm going to do is to add a, maybe I can add a picker here. Okay, so inside the picker we can have different selection. The selection will have a binding. Right now I don't have that specific binding, so I'm going to initialize at the beginning of the code. So the selection will be here. Okay, add a set variable state private. Okay, using Copilot to write it quickly. Okay, var, and I'm going to say selected view, and layout option. So basically we have multiple options. So we can say layout, say list, and layouts, say grid, something like that. Yeah, and then I can successfully got the selection here, and yeah, we got the layout option. So I'm going to add this var, maybe add enum for our layout option, string iterable, case iterable. Yeah, I'm going to make it codable. Identifiable, maybe not. So basically different case. You can make it like a list view, list, and we can have a grid view, right? And according to different list or grid, we can have a specific icon for string, switch, list, bullet list, or square grid. Okay, yeah. So basically different SF symbol as a string, so you can successfully reference it. Yeah, so let's go back to the picker. Selection picker, right? You need a binding, and that binding will be our selected view that we initialize just above. And then we can have a label of text select view, and we can loop for each layout option, all cases. ID self for options in the label option, raw value system, option icon, tag. Yeah, very good. So let's trust Copilot for this one, run this and see the result. Okay, yeah, we got the list. Click list or grid. Okay, we can actually loop this. Yeah, let's add more. So for example, let's create you can say like a bigger grid. Okay, bigger grid. And then in the case of bigger grid dot bigger grid, right, we can return a bigger grid, right? So come on, let's using Copilot to finish this. So what icon would normally represent bigger grid? Yeah, that's good. Okay, use a 3x3 feel. Okay, that's good. Looks like here. Of course, you can make it like a trailing or something like that. Okay, bigger grid or grid. Of course, you can add all that inside of an enum, and you can make this section a picker. You can make it like a trailing to the right. And of course, at this stage, you can play around with the style. I believe you can remember we got this picker here, and we got label, so it's ender picker. Yeah, we can add a picker style here. So picker style, picker style. Yeah, I believe we can use something like the. Let me look at documentation. Okay, since this is a menu, can I use it like a menu picker style? Yeah, we can do that. So basically, it's using other people's code. Okay, the like an official Apple team already write this code for you, so you don't need to worry too much about this. It doesn't like change this side too much. Let me look at other options. So like view default picker style, inline picker style, menu navigation picker style. What about navigation picker style? Okay, let's try this one. Okay, select view navigation list. Really weird, and it did not work. What about inline? Just to look at like an inline picker style. Let's look at the result here. Okay, so inline. Oh, even got a nice sound. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. And of course, if you want, simply push this picker to say the right side, you can do something like this. So you just wrap this inside of a horizontal or not horizontal, V stack. Okay, V stack, vertical stack. Yeah, no, horizontal stack. Yeah, what I'm talking. So horizontal stack, edge stack, and place all of the contents inside. And before this picker, add a spacer. Just push everything to the right. So you get a nice scoring thing at the right. Yeah, definitely not good. Maybe the wrong edge stack. Okay, edge stack. We got spacer, and we got a picker. That's weird. That's weird. Maybe let's change the style. Let's just stick with the manual style. Sometimes it will like influence each other if we use the wrong style. I'm not sure. I'm just like a live coding, and that's how I usually like record the video. That's the reason why you see me like encounter a lot of error and debug and all that. Yeah, so a spacer and push it to the right, click and change that. Yeah, at the end of this, we can save collection, like it, hate it. Yeah, good. Yeah, that will be all. Don't forget to give this video some up. If you want to download or use my code, please go to Patreon to support me. Okay, thanks. Bye.